Hello guys, thank you for joining this class. We'll be following the rocket sequence today, rocket 1, which is having a lot of overfolds, a lot of movement, a lot of action, a lot of inversions. So try to make it fun and take exactly what fits you. Get 2 blocks next to you or a couple of books in case you know you need them, and maybe a towel because rocket has the tendency of becoming a little bit sweaty. We'll start traditional, coming at the top of the mat, bringing the big toes to touch, thigh gap in between your heels. From here, start grounding yourself through your feet, through your toes. Press down into your toes and start engaging everything in. Squeeze your inner thighs. Activate the inner thighs, lower belly, straight into your spine, relax into your neck. Strong in your chest, proud in your head. Chin is parallel to the floor. Close your eyes. Our Tadasana. Stay here to breathe, to connect with your breath, to follow every inhalation and every exhalation. Invite the breath to initiate your movements. And allow it to flow you through the poses, through the practice. Allow it to build energy inside of you. Connect with your breath and connect with your intention. Take a deep inhale, breathe into your intention. Find the space inside of you. Exhale. One more time, inhale. On exhalation, start opening your eyes, finding your gaze. Bring the palms together in front of you. On inhalation, lift your arms over your head, extend through your side body. Exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale into a flat back, fingertips on the floor or use your shins. On exhale, palms down, step back to plank. As it's our first one, you can bring your knees down to the floor, tuck your tailbone, lower down halfway through. Go down to the floor, press down into your feet. Inhale into a gentle cobra. Exhale to lower down, tuck the toes, push your feet up and back. Downward facing dog. You can stay here to paddle your feet, walk your dog, move gently from one side to another. Look to the top of the mat, bend into your knees, big step towards the top. Halfway lift. On exhale, forward fold. Inhale to come all the way up, squeeze your inner thigh, look up. Exhale, palms to your heart and release. 2 more times, inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale into a flat back. On exhale, palms down, step back to plank. You can use your knees if you have to, if not, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. Upward facing dog or cobra. On exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here and breathe. Look to the top, bend into your knees, one big step towards the top. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to rise up to gaze to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. let them go. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale for a flat back. On exhale, palms down, find your plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. On exhale, downward facing dog. Allow your body to be supported by the ground. Allow the breath to create your energy. And stay focused, stay present. Look towards the top, bend into your knees, big step to the top. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to come all the way up, lift your arms, gaze up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Release, let's go to Sandvi. Inhale, bend your knees, raise your arms, Utkatasana, chair pose. On exhale, forward fold. Inhale into a flat back. On exhale, palms down, step back to plank and lower down chaturanga or hop into chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Ground your left foot in 30 degrees, right foot is stepping forward. Inhale, arms up, warrior one. Turn to the left on exhale, bend into your left knee. Come down to Skandasana on left side. Turn towards the back of the mat, frame your left foot, step back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Right foot is coming in 30 degrees, left is stepping inside of your left hand. Inhale up. On exhale, come down to right side, Skandasana on the right. Turn towards the top of the mat, frame your front foot, step back to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale to open heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Find your breath. We are moving faster than a normal rocket to be able to accommodate the ones with a short time in practice. So try to be focused. Look towards the top of the mat, bend into your knees, try to hop towards the top. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, raise your arms. Chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Two more times. Inhale, back to chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale for flat back. Exhale to chaturanga. Inhale into your upper dog. Roll over your toes, downward facing dog. Left foot 30 degrees, right is coming forward. Warrior one. Turn to the left, bend your left knee. Skandasana to the left. Turn towards the back, frame your foot, find your plank, lower down. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right foot to 30 degrees, left is coming forward, rise, warrior one. Turn towards the right side, Skandasana to right. Find the top of the mat, frame the foot, step back to plank. Lower down. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Find your breath. Look towards the top of the mat, bend into your knees, hop towards the top, try to fly as much as possible. Inhale for flat back. On exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, raise your arms, chair pose. And Samasthiti. One last time. Inhale to chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale to chaturanga. Inhale for an open heart. Exhale to downward dog. Left foot is coming to the side, right is coming forward. Virabhadrasana 8, rise up. turn to the sides, Kandasana on the left. Find the back of the mat, plank pose, Chaturanga. Inhale to open, exhale to downward dog. Right foot is on the side, left is coming forward, rise up, turn towards the right, lower down. Find the front of the mat, plank to Chaturanga. Inhale up, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathing here, reconnect. Use your downward dogs as the reset buttons. Look towards the top, bend your knees, fly to the top. Inhale for a flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, you raise your arms, Utkatasana. On exhale, Samasthiti. Let's go back into the chair, sit on your chair, stay here. Keep squeezing your inner line, keep squeezing your lower belly in. Bring your torso on your upper thighs. Keep staying low. Ardha Utkatasana. Palms down to the front, knees are coming behind your triceps. Reach forward, grip with your fingers. Maybe you lift one leg up, maybe both. Bakasana, crow pose. Step or jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale to upper dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot once again in 30 degrees. Right is coming over. Bend into your right knee. Find your warrior one. Open your body to the side. Align your back foot with your front heel. Virabhadrasana, be warrior two. Make sure you keep squeezing your inner thighs. You are still present. The heat is rising already. Inhale to extend your front leg. Reach forward, right palm, option one on top of your right foot. Lift your left arm up. Option two, take a block outside of your right foot. Option three, if you could, go all the way down. Bring your left arm down to the floor, step slightly forward with your left leg, square your hips. Option one, left palm with a block or without, inside of your right foot, right arm is going back. Option two, with or without the block, left palm outside of your right leg. Right palm is replacing your left hand outside of your right foot. Step towards the back, bend it into your right knee, keep pushing your left arm forward to 45 degrees and open your chest to the side. Inhale to come all the way up, warrior two for transition. Exhale, interlock your fingers behind. Inhale to open your heart. On exhalation, fold inside of your right knee. Allow the arms to open your shoulders to take it deeper. Release your palm down to the floor. Turn over the back foot. Left elbow over the right knee, palms together, twisted prayer. Look behind over your right shoulder. Release the pose back to plank. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Bring both elbows down to the floor. You can stay in your dolphin. You can take one step forward with your left and right leg up. If you wish, you can try to go in Pincha Mayurasana, hopping gently. Slowly release the pose. Inhale back to plank. Lower to chaturanga. Inhale into upper dog. And exhale downward facing dog. We are changing the side. Right foot on 30 degrees. Left is forward. Inhale to warrior one. Open your body, align your back foot with your front heel. Warrior two, I will turn so you can see. Extend your front leg, your left leg, reach forward. Left palm either outside, inside, on top of the block. Relax into the pose. Keep stretching your right fingers up to the ceiling. Release your right palm down, step slightly forward. Again, use the block under your right palm if you need to, either inside of your left foot or outside. Left arm is going up. Left arm is replacing your right. Step back once again with your right foot. Extend your right arm in 45 degrees, sending your chest to the side. Inhale to come all the way up. Palms behind you, interlock your fingers, open your heart. Lower down inside of your left leg, going deeper into the stretch. Release your palms down to the floor, turn over your back foot, right elbow is coming over the left knee, palms together, twisted prayer. Release the palms down to the floor, step back to plank, lower down, inhale into your upper dog, exhale to downward facing dog. Once again, bring your elbows down to the mat, step your right foot slightly forward, stay here, lift your left leg up, or try to find your Pincha Mayurasana, your floating forearm balance. Slowly release, inhale to plank, lower down, inhale to open your heart, and exhale, downward facing dog. With your palms 3 steps towards the back of the mat. Take hold of your big toes from outside to inside. Peace fingers, inhale, flat back. On exhale, Lower the belly down towards the legs. If you find yourself quite rounded over here, bend into your knees, connect your belly with your upper thighs, and start working with the flat back into straightening the legs. Inhale into a flat back. On exhale, slide your palms under your feet. The toes should be touching the wrists. Once again, if you cannot get there, bend into your knees as much as you can. Take an inhalation to open your heart. On exhale, fall forward. Release your palms, stay strong into your legs, gentle bend into your knees, roll all the way up. Take an inhalation, arms up, over your head, engage your inner thighs, exhale, come high onto your toes. Stay here. Release your heels down to the ground and take a step towards the front of the mat. I will do it with my left leg so I can face you. Turn towards the side. Arrange your feet to be in line with each other. Feet are pointing straight to the side. Inhale, arms to the side. Exhale, palms towards your hips. Inhale, squeeze your elbows in. Open your heart. On exhale, fold forward as low as you get. Inhale, palms down, fingertips in line with your feet. Reach forward, flat back. On exhale, option 1, lower as close as possible to the ground. Work in opening your hamstrings and going deeper in flexibility. Option 2, for the ones who have tripod handstand in the practice, head is coming down to the floor, gently lift up. If you are in headstand, slowly come down to the floor. Extend your chest forward. Take an inhale here. On exhale, palms are coming behind your back. Option 1, take hold of your elbows. Option 2, reverse prayer behind your back. Open the elbows to the side. Inhale for a flat back. Exhale to fall forward. Interlock your fingers, press your wrists into each other. Inhale, flat back. On exhale, shoulders are opening, coming lower, taking you deeper into the fold. Inhale into a flat back. On exhale, press fingers, taking hold of your big toes. Inhale to open heart. Exhale, pull into your elbows, come closer to the ground. Inhale for flat back. On exhale, palms down to the floor, support yourself into your palms. Start opening the legs towards the side as far as they go. Samakonasana or middle split. Inhale to climb slightly up. Turn towards the back of the mat. Option 1, back knee down on the floor. Front leg is straight, find your half split. Option 2, if you are there, go for a full split. But make sure you still keep the connection in Mula Bandha. Your pelvic floor is active. Take a deep inhale. On exhale, support yourself into your palms. Turn all the way towards the top of the mat. Same options, back knee down. Finding your Ardha Hanuman or going deep towards a full Hanuman. Inhale slowly to come back to center. Hold yourself into your palms. This time, lift your toes up, slide onto your heels as low as you can get. Maybe you'll be able to sit down in a very gentle way. Sit comfortable over here. Inhale, arms to the side. On exhale, bring them down to the ground. Fold forward like a pancake. Slowly start coming up. Arms to the side. Take an inhalation here. Exhale, fold over your back leg. Inhale back to center. Open the arms to the side. On exhale, go to the front. Make sure you keep opening the chest when you are folding. It's a side flexion. We are not folding straight over the leg. Inhale to start coming up. Bring the legs closer to each other. Here is the part where you might need the blocks or maybe not. I'll show you both options. Frame your back leg. Stay strong with the palms on top of your blocks. Take an inhalation, point your toes, engage your legs. On exhale, fold forward, exhale or the air out, push into your arms, round your spine and lift up. Slowly lower down. I'll show you on the other side without the blocks. Frame the leg. Exactly the same. Point your toes, engage your leg. Take an inhalation. On exhale, everything out. Start floating. Slowly lower down to the floor. Find the top of the mat, palms down, step back to plank. Lower down. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat, bend into your knees, hop to the top. Inhale for a flat back. On exhale, forward fold. Take your hands behind you. Either hold your elbows or find your twisted prayer. Inhale all the way up. Step back with your right leg, turn towards the back of the mat. Open your chest here. Exhale. Fold over your right side. Pyramid pose. Try to find the stretch in your right hamstring. Inhale to start coming up. Turn to the top of the mat. Adjust your feet and fold over your left. Inhale to start coming all the way up. On exhale, take hold. Option 1. Right knee comes into chest, left arm on top of your hip. Squeeze everything in, stay here. Option 2, take hold of your big toe. Open the leg to the side. Maybe you can turn your gaze to the left side. Bring your body back to center. Kiss the knee with your nose. And let go. Hold your right leg up as much as you can without your hand. Inhale, knee into chest, extend. On exhale, move the leg towards the back. Square your hips. Look down to the ground, warrior 3. Place your left palm down on the floor, more or less on 10 o'clock. You might have to use a block under your left palm. Turn your body towards the right side. Lift your right arm up. Slowly both palms down on the ground, send your right leg all the way up to the sky, standing split. Keep your right palm down on the floor, square your hips, left arm is going up. Palms down, step back to plank. Lower down vinyasa. Open your heart on inhalation. On exhale, downward facing dog. I'll change my side so I can work on the left side as well. From downward dog, bend into your knees, look towards the front, float to the top. Inhale into a flat back. On exhale, forward fold. Inhale to come all the way up, lift your arms, look up. Exhale, palms into your heart and release. Left knee is coming into chest, option 1. Right hand on top of the right hip, hugging the elbow in. Option 2, take hold of your big toe. Bring the leg towards the side. Maybe you can gaze to the right side. Come back to center, squeeze your inner thighs, kiss the knee with the nose. Good. Keep your balance. Release your left leg and hold it up. Inhale, left knee to chest, extend your arms. On exhale, find your warrior 3. Try to keep your body parallel to the floor. Right palm is coming down more or less at 2 o'clock. Left is going up. Active fingers, turn your chest towards the left side. Half moon. Both palms down to the floor. Standing split. Send your left leg as high as you can go. Engage your glute. Keep your left palm down, right arm up. Reverse half moon. Both palms down to the floor, step back to plank. Lower down. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. We're moving towards the sitting part. Jump forward and go to seated. Extend the legs towards the top of the mat. Bring the palms next to your hips. Press down in the mat with your palms. Engage your leg, pull the toes towards you. Dandasana. Take an inhalation, arms up over your head. On exhale, take hold of your big toes. Inhale to extend your chest. Engage your inner thighs. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale for a flat back. On exhale, hold the side of your feet. Take an inhalation here. On exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale to come all the way up. On exhale, palms down. 2 options with the blocks of the books. Place the palms in between your knees and your hips. Palms on top of the blocks and we'll lift up. I'll show you without the blocks. It's exactly the same. The blocks or the books are helping to bring your body easier up. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale everything out. And float. Inhale up to Navasana, both pose. On exhale, cross your knees, roll over them, palms down, Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Inhale into an upper dog. Exhale for downward facing dog. Fly forward to the top and sitting. Sit down to the floor, legs in front of you, legs together, palms behind, under your shoulders, fingertips pointing to the top of the mat. Take a deep inhalation, squeeze everything in. On exhale, lift your hips up. Slowly lower down to the floor. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale to Vinyasa. Cross your knees, Chaturanga. Inhale to shine your heart forward. Exhale to downward facing dog. Jump to seated. Left leg is in front of you. Right is coming over. I'll show you from the front. Connect your knees, stack them over each other. The right foot is on top of the foot, is not here. So slide it on top. If you know your practice, you know your hips, and you know you have external rotation, you can go into a half lotus pose. But if your knee is up the same way like mine, I would suggest you to avoid lotus, protect your knees. Bring your knees together into a half shoelace. Knees over here are stacked over each other, they are supported. Take an inhalation, arms up. On exhale, fold over your right knee to grab foot on the left side. Inhale to come up. On exhale, palms down and lift. Lift up to Navasana. Go through your Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. And exhale, downward facing dog. Jump to seated. This time right leg is forward, left is coming over. Stack your knees or take your half lotus. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale up. On exhale, float. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. Once again, jump to seated. This time, left leg stays forward, right is bending towards the back. So right knee is pointing to the top of the mat. If this is not possible and you find yourself leaning towards the left side, take the knee slightly to the side. Give yourself more space for your pelvis. Inhale to reach your arms up. On exhale, fold forward. Take an inhalation, come all the way up. On exhale, bend into your left knee, place your left foot down to the floor. Palms are coming down in front of you, exactly like for Chaturanga. Lift your hips up like you are in a running position. Left knee is coming on top of the left elbow. You can just stay here or you can choose to float. Find your Vinyasa. Inhale to open heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Once again, jump to seated. Good. Sometimes we are jumping more than we need. This time, right leg to the front, left to the back. Inhale here, arms up. On exhale, fall forward. Inhale for arms up. Exhale, right foot is coming down to the floor. Palms down in front of you. Bend your elbows. Connect the right knee with your right elbow. Fly your left leg up. Eka Pada Bakasana. Back to Vinyasa. And downward facing dog. Jump to seated. Slowly sit down. Left leg forward. Right is coming inside of your left leg, inside of your upper thigh. Inhale for arms up. On exhale, fold over your left leg, Janu Shirsasana. Inhale to come up. On exhale, place your palms down, slide your body over your right heel. Sit on top of your right heel and fold forward. It's quite deep. Can be a very uncomfortable pose. So pay attention to what your body is telling you. Inhale to slowly start coming all the way up. Bring the elbows down behind you, legs up to the sky. Take an inhalation here, squeeze your lower belly in. Exhale, lower the feet down towards the ground without touching. Inhale up. Exhale, lower. 3 more, inhale up. Exhale to lower. Inhale up and exhale. 1 more inhale, 1 more exhale. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. You have 2 options right now. Option 1. Walk your feet slightly closer and try 5 bunny hops. Press down into your palms, elevate the shoulders towards the ears, bend into your knees and just hop your feet. Hopefully the hips are coming as high as possible. If you have a little bit of handstands practice, try to find a movement of flotation, couple of seconds maybe in your handstands. Slowly come back down to seated and change the side. Right leg forward, left leg is bent inside. Janu Shirsasana on the other side. Inhale up. On exhale, fold forward. Inhale to come all the way up. On exhale, slide over your left hip. Lower down. Start bringing yourself up. Elbows behind you, legs up to the sky. Take an inhalation here. Start scissoring your legs, really slowly crossing the legs towards each other. Lower almost down to the ground. Keep hugging your inner line and lift up. and lower down. One more time. Go slowly. Feel every scissor, every crossing, and lift up. Good. Once you finish the second round, legs together pressing into each other. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale to Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Once again, 5 handstands, 5 hops, 5 kick-ups, anything that fits you right now. Once you're done, come back to seated. Keep your left leg forward. A little space in between your left upper thigh and your right foot. Hold with your left palm your right ankle. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, fold forward. Hug your right knee from the back. And reach with your chest forward. Marichyasana 8. Inhale here to come up. Bend into your left knee. Place your left foot behind your right. Keep the connection if you have it. Lean forward as much as possible. Inhale to come up. On exhale, once again, elbows behind you. Make sure you have space. Legs up into the air. Take an inhalation here. On exhale, lower the legs almost down to the floor. Flow them and hold. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. You have the chance for 5 more bunny hops or handstands kick-ups. If you have kick-ups at the wall, go next to the wall and try over there. Slowly release, come down to seated. Change the side. Right leg is going forward, left is bended. Take hold with your your right palm on the left ankle. Inhale up. Exhale to fold and take hold of your left leg. If you don't have the bind, keep the arms to the side, fold forward. Inhale here to come up. Bend into your right knee, place it under your left. Keep your bind if you have one. Fall forward. Marichyasana B. Inhale slowly up. Bring your elbows down once again. Legs up to the air. Take an inhalation. Squeeze your inner thighs. Exhale to lower the legs and float. You can stay here or you can choose to float your arms as well. Inhale up to boat. Exhale to Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. One more time, 5 bunny hops or maybe 5 handstands. However you feel your practice today. Slowly lower down, come back to seated. Left leg stays forward, right leg, it's coming again into a bend position. With your left hand, hug your right knee, place your right palm behind you, twist towards the back. Keep your left leg active, pulling into your toes. Marichyasana C, variation. And going for deep bend, once again the left knee, place the foot behind your right, keep twisting to the back. Inhale to come back to center. Exhale, fold gently to the left side to reset your spine. Inhale to come up. On exhale, find your Ardha Navasana, your half boat, hold it here. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale to Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. Last 2 times, bunny hops or handstands. Any kind of variation you prefer. Use the wall if you wish. It's a very good support, very good prop. Slowly let go. This time right leg is staying forward, left is bent, right arm is taking hold of your left, twist towards the back. Bend into your right knee, place it under the left, keep twisting, keep hugging your lower belly in. Inhale up to center. On exhale, fold to the opposite side. Inhale all the way up. On exhale, last time, find your Ardha Navasana. This time, arms over your head. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale to Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. Last time handstands for this practice, so try to make it worth it. Try to do your best. Slowly come down to seated. Bring your feet together in a butterfly pose, as close as possible to the hips, and with your palms, open them like a book, like the pages of a book. Stay strong with your chest, high onto your heart, proud in your head. Focus on the outer edge of your feet, of your legs. Pull the legs closer to the ground. Take an inhalation here. On exhale, fold forward. Try to keep your chest proud. I honestly don't think it's so important how low you can get, as long as you find the sensation, the stretch in your adductors, in the inner thighs. Better stay higher up and keep the nice straight line into your body than rounding and hunching just to go deeper. You lose the purpose of the pose. Inhale to start coming up. Grab your big toes, engage your Mula Bandha, find the balance on your sit bones, lift your legs up, extend maybe and stay here. With a lot of care, roll on the back. And try to come back up from where we left. Inhale into your Navasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Find your sitting position. Extend your left leg forward. Grab your right big toe. Lean on your back. Keep your legs straight. If this is too much with both legs straight, you can bend your left knee. Maybe use a strap over your right foot. Take an inhale here. On exhale, right leg is going down towards the side. Inhale back to center. Grab with your both arms. On exhale, bring the leg as close to you. Let go to your right and change to the left. Left is coming up. Grabbing your big toe. The strap or a scarf is useful as well. Take the leg towards the side, trying to bring your toes down to the ground. Make sure you are not rolling over to the left side. Inhale back to center. Take hold with both arms. Exhale, pull it as close as you can. Inhale into your Navasana. Exhale for Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. Come back to seated. Keep your knees into chest. Take hold of your big toes. Lift your legs up. Roll over on your back. And slowly come back from where we left. Change the grip on the outer part of your legs. Take an inhale. On exhale, go backwards. And once again, return. Inhale into Navasana. Exhale for Vinyasa. Inhale to open heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. Find your sitting position once again. Lower down onto your back. Make sure you have space. Keep your knees bent. Feet are coming as close as possible towards the bum. Palms are on the floor next to your hips. We'll go to 3 back bends. You can choose to stay only on the bridge because we didn't warm up the back so much, the spine so much, so we kept doing forward. Choose to take it easy, or if you feel that your spine is open, you can try a 1 or 2 full weeks. Palms down to the floor, squeeze your inner thighs, lift your hips up. Slowly lower down to the floor. Do 2 more of this, or maybe 1 more and 1 full wheel or 2 full wheel. Slowly come down and 1 more time lift up. Come down on the floor, hug your knees into chest. Rock front and back until you can come to standing. Forward fold. Stay here for a few moments. Inhale to a flat back. On exhale, palms down, find your plank. Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. One more time, we're bringing the elbows down to the ground. You can choose to stay in dolphin and just opening your chest more. If you have pincha and scorpion practice, just follow me. Slowly release. Inhale to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. And exhale, downward facing dog. Right knee is coming forward. Foot towards the left side. Move your left leg slightly to the back for pigeon pose. Inhale to open heart. On exhale, lower as much as you can. Maybe on your forearms, maybe all the way down to the ground. You can remain here, or if you wish to try a small back bend, come all the way up. Bend into your left knee, take hold of it, bring it down first. Stretch your hip flexors on the left side. And maybe you can grab your foot with the crease of your elbow, crossing your arms, mermaid pose. Slowly release, back to plank. Lower down. Inhale to open heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. Left knee is coming forward, full towards the right side. Slide your right leg towards the back. Take an inhalation here. On exhale, allow your body to fall forward. Remain on your sleeping swan, or come up with your body, bend into your right knee, hold your foot from the inner part. First, bring it as close as possible to the bum to stretch your hip flexors a bit more. And if you wish, slide your foot into your elbow. Hold your fingers very forward. Slowly release, back to plank. Vinyasa. Good, left knee is coming forward. Right is crossing over. Cross your knees, stack them over each other and sit in between. Left arm up, right behind. Take hold of your palms if you can. If you cannot, hold your t-shirt or your blouse or maybe a strap. Take an inhalation here. On exhale, fall forward. Inhale to come all the way up. Palms down towards the left side. Place your feet down. Turn to the back of the mat without moving the legs. Keep twisting, twisting, twisting until you are crossing the legs into the opposite side, left over the right. Right arm forward, left to the back. Hold your arms. fold forward. Inhale to release your Gomukhasana. Back towards Navasana. Exhale to Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale for a downward facing dog. Come back to seated. Extend the legs forward. Inhale, arms up. On exhale, take hold of your feet, either from the top, your big toes, or the sides. And focus on elongating your lower back. Inhale to come up. Exhale, palms once again down in between your hips and your knees. Push up. Inhale up to Navasana. Exhale for Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. On exhale, downward facing dog. Jump to seated once again. Lean on your back, make sure you have space. Knees into chest, lift your hips, support them with your palm, extend your legs up. Shoulder stand. Make sure you do not turn your neck when you are in shoulder stand. Bring your legs over your head, feet touching down. If your feet are down on the floor, release your palms or maybe interlock them behind your back. If your feet are still high up, just support your hips with your palms. Halasana or plow pose. Bend your knees, bring them towards your ears. Hug your ears with your knees. Support your lower back, lift your legs up into the air. Start rolling all the way towards the back. Palms are coming under your hips. Hug your elbows in, lift your chest, let your head fall. Reset your neck with a fish pose. Inhale to Navasana, lift your legs up. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to downward facing dog. Bring the knees down to the ground. We're going in headstand, two options. Tripod headstand with the fingertips in line with your knees. Chin to chest, bring the crown of the head down towards the floor. Lift your hips up, hug your elbows in. Maybe you'll come here, maybe you'll keep knees on top of your elbows. Maybe you can start lifting up. If you want to take the traditional one, interlock your fingers, place the palms behind your head, elbows in, push into your shoulders and lift up. Bring your legs in 90 degrees, L shape. Lower slowly down, stay in your passive child pose. One last vinyasa, palms to the front, plank pose, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale for downward facing dog. Jump into a seated position. Slowly lower down. Hug your knees into chest. Bring your knees down to the left side. Extend your right arm to the side. A gentle twist. Come back to neutral. Take the legs to the opposite side. Back to center, give yourself a nice good hug. And extend your legs towards the top of the mat. Let go to all the engagement in your body. Palms next to your hips. Relax your breath. Relax your energy. Enjoy your Shavasana. Allow yourself at least 8 minutes in this Shavasana. It was intense. I hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.